Dear learners, from Health Education and Community Pharmacy, our next topic is non-communicable diseases. The objective behind this topic is students should understand the following: definition of non-communicable disease, risk factors of the non-communicable diseases, causative agents, prevention, care, and control of cancer, diabetes, blindness, and cardiovascular diseases. The non-communicable disease is a disease which is caused due to multiple causes and cannot be transmitted directly or indirectly from one person to another by any agency. The non-communicable diseases have a long latent period and an indefinite onset. Non-communicable diseases includes cardiovascular, renal, nervous, mental, musculoskeletal diseases, blindness, cancer, diabetes, obesity, etc. The risk factors of non-communicable diseases are smoking or chewing of tobacco, drinking of alcohol, lifestyle pattern, example diet, physical activity, environmental factors like air, water and light, inadequate health services for management and control of non-communicable diseases, and very most important is stress. The major disease is cancer. Cancer is an abnormal and rapid growth of cell and tissues. It can invade distant tissue or organs. It can lead to death if grows beyond the stage of removal. The causes of cancer. The major factors responsible for development of cancer are tobacco, alcohol, and certain dietary factors. Tobacco smoking or chewing is the major cause of cancer of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, larynx, lungs, urinary bladder, and pancreas. Alcohol. A significant percentage of all cancers are because of consumption of alcohol. Excessive consumption of alcohol beverage is associated with esophageal and liver cancer. Rectal cancer is observed to be because of consumption of beer. Dietary factor. Diet plays an important role in the development of gastrointestinal cancer. Some relation has been observed between stomach cancer, smoked fish, dietary fiber, intestinal cancer, beef boil cancer, high fat diet, breast cancer. Food additives, coloring agents are suspected to be the causative agents. Occupational exposure, that is, exposure of various chemicals like benzene, arsenic, cadmium, chromium, vinyl chloride, asbestos, polycyclic hydrocarbons, etc., are responsible for about 1 to 5% of all human cancers. Viruses. Many viruses have been found to be responsible for cancer. Hepatitis B is caused related to hepatocellular carcinoma. Cytomegalovirus (CMV) is suspected to be an oncogenic agent. Human papilloma virus, that is HPV, is suspected for cervical cancer. Human T cell leukemia virus is associated with about T cell leukemia. Hodgkin's disease is also believed to be of viral origin. Others are numerous environmental factors such as sunlight, radiation, air, and water pollution. Pesticides are related to the cancer. Types of cancer. Cancer may occur at any site or tissue in the body. Common types of cancer are esophageal cancer, cancer of cervix, lung cancer, breast cancer, bladder cancer, etc. Characteristic of cancer, that is signs and symptoms. Hyperplasia, that is tendency of uncontrolled purposeless proliferation. Next is metastasis, that is tendency of spreading from one place to other place. Next is unusual presence of polychromatic granules and other cell inclusions. A lump or hard area in the breast, a change in a wart or a mole, unexplained loss of weight, a swelling or sore that does not heal, blood loss from any natural orifice, excessive loss of blood during menstruation or outside the usual dates, a persistent change in digestive and bowel habits. Prevention and control of cancer. Avoiding known carcinogenic agents like tobacco and alcohol. Personal hygiene can decrease the incidence of cancer, example cervix cancer. Control of air pollution is an important measure. Health education to create awareness about cancer. Establishment of cancer detection centers for early diagnosis. Old age person must be motivated for regular and periodical checkup. Treatment of cancer. For treatment of cancer, surgery, radiotherapy, and immunotherapy are needed. The latest technique for treating cancer is laser therapy, that is interstitial laser photocoagulation, which is also known as ILP. In last stage of cancer, patient may be given painkillers so as to give relief from unbearable pain. Second disease is diabetes mellitus, which is also known as DM. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder characterized by a state of hyperglycemia and is developed due to less or lack of insulin. Signs and symptoms are polyuria, that is frequent urination, polydyspepsia, that is excessive thirst, polyphagia, that is excessive hunger, delayed wound healing, loss of weight, weakness, fatigue, and prone to infection. Types of diabetes mellitus. Insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, that is type 1, it is also called as IDDM. Non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, that is type 2, also called as NIDDM. Gestational diabetes, that is diabetes during gestational diabetes, means diabetes during pregnancy. Causes. Diabetes develops due to inability of pancreas to produce sufficient insulin needed for the body, or inability of the body cells to use the insulin available. Some of the causative factors of diabetes are pancreatic disease, defect in the synthesis of insulin, or decrease in the number of beta cells. Heredity, secondary lifestyle and lack of exercise. Sedentary, not secondary, sedentary lifestyle and lack of exercise. Diet rich in carbohydrates and fats. Obesity, infection with viruses like rubella and mumps may cause the diabetes. Prevention or control, that is management of diabetes mellitus. Weight control and balanced diet, regular physical exercise, regular blood sugar checkup, treatment of insulin by parenteral route for type 1 diabetes. In case of type 2, treatment with oral hypoglycemic tablets, self-care measures for foot care, eye care, etc. Personal hygiene, including care of feet, skin, should be taken care of. Treatment with insulin and oral antidiabetic agents like metformin, glipizide, glibenclamide, etc. Since NIDDM appears to be linked with sedentary lifestyle, overnutrition, obesity, correction of these may reduce the risk of diabetes and its complications. Alcohol should be avoided as it indirectly increases the risk of diabetes. Subject at risk should avoid diabetogenic drugs like oral contraceptives. Third disorder is blindness. Blindness is defined as visual acuity of less than 360 Snellen or its equivalent, or inability to count the fingers at a distance of 3 meters. Causes of blindness: vitamin A deficiency due to malnutrition and disease like measles can extremely weaken the vision. Cataract, glaucoma, trachoma, and other eye infections are common causes. Congenital disease, tumor of eye, retinal detachment, diabetes, hypertension, and diseases of nervous system. Persons working in industries and mines as occupation get eye injuries often. Use of infected kajal and treatment by quacks can also lead to blindness. Prevention and control of blindness. Improving the nutrition particularly related to vitamin A intake. Proper and timely treatment of infectious disease of eye. Improving safety measures and working conditions at occupation places. Regular eye checkup of children in schools followed by health education helps to prevent blindness. Special programs for prevention of blindness. A national program for prevention and control of blindness was started by government in 1976. In this, following programs are undertaken. Eye checkup of children is done in schools. Vitamin A prophylaxis is done by giving vitamin A. Eye camp and permanent eye care facilities are established. More and more ophthalmologists are persuaded to undertake the cataract operations. Eye banks are being set up. Proper sanitization, safe water supply, health education regarding personal hygiene and care of eye is provided. Next disorder is cardiovascular diseases. Various cardiovascular diseases are coronary heart diseases, that is CHD, or ischemic heart diseases, hypertension, rheumatic heart disease, syphilitic heart disease, congenital heart diseases, arrhythmias, abnormal heart rates, and atherosclerosis. Coronary heart disease. This disease is common in age group of 50 to 60 years. Males are affected more than females. Coronary heart disease are divided into following groups: angina pectoris, myocardial infarction, cardiac failure, sudden death, arrhythmias. Risk factor of CHD are heavy smoking and consumption of alcohol, hypertension, high level of serum cholesterol, family history of CHD, diabetes mellitus, mental stress and strain on in the life, lack of physical activity, and obesity. Prevention of coronary heart disease is try to avoid and control the above mentioned factors. Avoid smoking and excessive consumption of alcohol. Control obesity and maintain the weight. Restrict intake of salt, sugar and saturated fatty acid, that is ghee, etc. Increase the consumption of vegetable and fresh fruits. Ensure optimum regular exercise, relaxed way of life and avoid stress and strain of life. Control hypertension and diabetes mellitus. Causes of CHD and elderly person should undergo regular medical checkup. Second is hypertension. Hypertension is defined as a systolic pressure equal to or greater than 140 mm of mercury and or a diastolic pressure equal to or greater than 19 mm of mercury. Causes of hypertension are lifestyle factors such as high fatty diet, high salt intake, smoking, alcoholism, age and heredity. Next is disorders such as renal or endocrine, and also in pregnancy hypertension increases. Prevention and control of hypertension. So in primary type, the prevention and control measures are less salt intake one has to take, restriction of saturated fatty fats in the diet, weight reduction and exercise promotion is done, no tobacco smoking and reduced alcohol consumption, avoiding stress, health education and self-care is taken. Secondary type is early detection and lowering blood pressure below 140 to 90, that is 140 systolic and 90 diastolic. Proper and regular use of medicine. Prevention and treatment of hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressure. The normal blood pressure of an adult is 120 systolic and 80 mm, that is diastolic. The systolic blood pressure higher than 160 mm of Hg or diastolic blood pressure greater than 95 mm of Hg is said to be hypertension. Prevention of hypertension. Reduction in consumption of salt, fats and diet. Reduction of weight and taking sugar. Regular exercise. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Avoid stress, strain in the life. Meditation and perform the yoga. Treatment of hypertension. Detected cases of hypertension can be treated as follows. Antihypertensive drugs such as diuretics and beta blocker, etc. It also includes diet control and exercise. Third one is RHD, that is rheumatic heart disease. RHD is common in India and individuals below 20 years of age suffer from it. Rheumatic fever is a disease of connective tissues, particularly in heart and joints. It is caused by infection of throat by a group of beta hemolytic streptococci. It is not communicable disease but leads to rheumatic heart disease which damage the heart and is a common cause of premature death. High incidence of this disease is due to poverty, undernutrition, overcrowding, poor sanitary conditions and lack of medical facilities. Clinical features of RHD are fever, inflammation of joints, carditis, subcutaneous nodules, raised ESR, presence of beta hemolytic streptococci in blood culture. The chief organs affected are joints, heart and brain. Brain involved leads to tremors. Prevention and control of RHD. Treat the cases of sore throat in children promptly with penicillin. Mass screening of children for rheumatic heart disease should be done through school health services. Socio-economic and living conditions of the public should be improved. Health education and personal hygiene should be improved, which will helpful in prevention of the disease. The differences in communicable and non-communicable diseases. Communicable disease is caused due to some infectious agent. Non-communicable disease is due to multiple causes but not due to infectious agent. Communicable disease can be transmitted from one person to another directly or indirectly, whereas non-communicable disease cannot be transmitted from one person to other person directly or indirectly. It can be transmitted by any as air, water, soil, dust, food, sputum. It cannot be transmitted by any agency. Communicable disease possess a definite onset and incubation period, whereas non-communicable disease does not possess a definite onset and may possess a very long latent period. Communicable disease are not genetic in origin, whereas non-communicable disease can be genetic in origin, example diabetes or certain heart diseases. Eliminating infectious agent can control the communicable diseases, whereas avoiding risk factors of smoking, alcohol consumption, stress, etc. are some ways to control the non-communicable diseases. So remember all the differences carefully. They are highly important in examination point of view.